Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to decorate the wreath to match our fireplace. And we're going to make a ribbon. I already made this one. And we're going to put big ribbons in the bottom and then lots of glass later and flowers. So I'll show you how to make one. So the first thing we do, I like to throw the ribbons out because then you really get control of the ribbons. Huh? Then we have to lay them flat and cross them over each other, leaving a tail as long as you want. Right. Then we have to pleat that in, and then using a long wire we leave one end, a short one which we don't touch till the end. Then we twist that around really tight. Then keeping everything flat, then we're going to make the loop the same size that we used here on this bow. Then we pleat that in, and we twist with the long wire really tight. Again, flatten it out. Then loop the same size. Then we pleat that in, wire it off. Keep this really tight, the wire. Okay, again we go. Flat. All right. Pleat that in. Again, tight around. I'm going to do one more loop. Okay, then we pleat that in. And with the long wire, we keep this one as tight as you can go. And then with the first short wire, we wire them together and twist that off. Okay. Then we trim that off. Then we cut these ends the same as they'll make extra tails, so the same length. Huh? Okay, so with the ends we fold that in half and we cut at the diagonal, and that creates really nice points. The next stage, because we wired it individual, you can really open it up and really pull it down to the base wire. Then we're going to put it into the wreath. Okay, so then we just really wire it into the back of the wreath where the metal ring is. So, really secure that in. Okay, then we lift it up and separate all the tails out, like fan them out. And then we just pleat them, like so. Really fills the bottom. And then with all the different ribbons we put in together, just really open them out to make it really full. Okay, so now we have the second one that I made earlier, and see the metal ring here on the back of the wreath? That's where we're wiring it to. So. And then you go around that and pull it tight. And keep going. Okay, so there we have our big central bow. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in clip-on flowers, going from larger up to smaller, and then we're going to fill it with lots of different balls, glitter balls and glass. Okay, so the flowers are in. So the next thing I'm going to do is fill in all the gaps with lots of different various glass, glitter balls, etc. And we're just going to fill it as far as we can go.